Hello and welcome to Sparklengo AI, where we explore smart tools, powerful technology, and the future of artificial intelligence, one video at a time. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to learn new skills, stay updated, or keep up with the fast-moving AI world, today's video is for you. Because I'm about to show you an AI platform that can help you learn almost anything in just 15 minutes. But before we get into that, let's take a quick look at what's happening right now in the world of AI. Artificial intelligence continues to reshape how we work, learn, and create. Here are a few major trends dominating AI right now. First, AI education is booming. More people are turning to short-form, AI-powered learning platforms instead of long courses. People want fast, practical knowledge, not hours of theory. Second, AI assistants are becoming more specialized. Instead of one tool doing everything, we now see platforms focused on learning, research, writing, coding, and career growth. Third, AI skills are directly linked to job opportunities. Employers are no longer asking if you know AI, they're asking how you use it. And finally, AI is helping people save time, the most valuable resource we have, by breaking down complex topics into simple, digestible insights. This brings us perfectly to today's main topic. Let's talk about 15Minutes.ai, a platform designed to help you learn faster, smarter, and without information overload. So what exactly is 15Minutes.ai? 15Minutes.ai is an AI-powered learning platform that summarizes books, topics, and ideas into clear, easy-to-understand lessons you can consume in about 15 minutes. Instead of spending weeks reading or watching long videos, this platform gives you the core insights that matter most. 15Minutes.ai delivers comprehensive book summaries, audiobook summaries, and detailed analysis. Their expert editors create high-quality summaries of books from 100, so you may be wondering how to get started. You can check out list of topics from the Browse section by picking any genre of your choice, from non-fiction, audiobook, self-help, business, psychology, personal development, or history. The list goes on. The AI then breaks that topic down into key ideas, practical insights, clear explanations, and actionable takeaways. Take this book for example, The Happiest Man on Earth. The Beautiful Life of an Auschwitz Survivor. By Eddie Joku. 15 minutes AI summarized the book and you could also read and listen to it. That is really impressive. Another way is by browsing books by letters or numbers and also by popular authors. If you have a book in mind, use the search bar at the top. Let's be honest, most of us are busy. 15Minutes.ai understands that. You might be learning during a lunch break, while commuting, or between daily tasks. This platform respects your time. You're not overwhelmed with unnecessary details, you get focused knowledge that you can actually remember and apply. Who is this platform for? 15Minutes.ai is perfect for busy professionals, students, entrepreneurs, content creators, lifelong learners, anyone trying to stay ahead in an AI-driven world. If you're someone who says, I want to learn, but I don't have time, this platform was built for you. Real-life use cases. You can use 15Minutes.ai to quickly understand new AI trends, learn business and leadership concepts, improve productivity habits, prepare for meetings or interviews, spark ideas for content or projects. It's not about replacing deep learning, it's about starting smart and learning efficiently. Why I personally like 15Minutes.ai. What really stands out is simplicity. No pressure. No endless scrolling. Just focus learning in a short time. In a world where attention is constantly pulled in different directions, tools like this help you stay intentional about growth. Let's quickly talk about pricing, because this is something a lot of people care about. 15Minutes.ai offers flexible pricing plans designed to fit different learning needs and budgets. Get 10,000 plus book summaries, PDF or EPUB downloads, audiobook access and premium support for $9.99 per month or $59.99 per year. If you're someone who values time, clarity, and practical learning, the lifetime access is the best value. For $129.99. You get 2 additional benefits, such as priority support, as well as getting future updates. If you'd like to try 15Minutes.ai for yourself, I've added a link in the description below. Using that link helps support the Sparklengo AI channel at no extra cost to you, and it allows me to continue bringing you more helpful AI tools and insights like this. Feel free to check it out and see if it fits your learning style. And that brings us to something very important, jobs. One question I get a lot is, are there real companies actually hiring for AI roles? The answer is yes. I'll explain what each company does and how you can apply. First is OpenAI, AI Prompt and Content Specialist, remote/contract. What the company does. OpenAI is the company behind ChatGPT. They build advanced AI models used for writing, research, coding, and creative work. What the job involves. Writing and testing prompts. Reviewing AI-generated content. Helping improve AI responses. Who this is good for. Writers, researchers, educators, creatives, and tech-curious professionals. How to apply. Visit the OpenAI careers page, look for roles under Applied AI, Research, or Contractor roles. Some positions are direct, while others are offered through OpenAI's training partners. Next company is OvePoint. This is a global technology company that focuses on data management, security, and governance, especially for cloud platforms like Microsoft 365. They help organizations protect, manage, and optimize their data using cloud and AI-powered solutions. OvePoint hires for remote and hybrid roles in areas such as software development, AI and data engineering, cloud security, product management, and customer success. If you're interested in AI, cloud technology, or data-driven careers, OvePoint is a strong company to watch. To apply, visit the OvePoint careers page on their website and filter for remote or hybrid roles. Good luck. Next is TELUS International AI, AI Rater and Evaluator. TELUS International AI helps train AI systems used in search engines, voice assistants, and recommendation systems. The job involves rating search results, evaluating AI responses, improving language and relevance. This job is good for people with strong language skills, attention to detail, and flexible schedules. To apply, go to TELUS International AI Careers, select your country, and apply for AI Rater or AI Evaluator roles. The key takeaway is this. These are real companies. These are real remote jobs. And people are getting hired by learning consistently, sometimes just 15 minutes a day. You don't need to know everything. You just need to start. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you're looking for a smarter way to learn without burning out, definitely check out www.15minutes.ai. Let me know in the comments. What would you like to learn in just 15 minutes? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tools, trends, and opportunities. This is Sparklengo AI, helping you learn faster, think smarter, and grow in an AI-powered world. See you in the next video. Bye for now.